I need to replace a meal here and there. So when I saw all the awesome reviews for Protein Works savoury super meals, I decided to buy a tub, and this is the one I went for. I went for their tasty chicken noodle super meals. This is the 10 mil tub, and we're going to try it out. Well, I've already tried it out, but I'm going to try it out with you online. Now, these are absolutely delicious, let me tell you. So I purchased, this is what it looks like on the inside. Like I said, this is the 10 mil tub. You can get a 10, 20 and 30 mil tub. I also picked up that awesome insulated cup. Now, this is brilliant if you want to take this out and about with you on the go, because you can just put your scoops of super meal in here. Then when you're ready to eat, just add the hot water, put the lid on, let it sit for a few minutes, and you're good to go. But without further ado, let's make a pot of chicken noodles. It really couldn't be simpler. Just take the lid off. That's the cup. I'm only going to do 2 scoops for now. So there's 1. And there's 2. Now we're going to add the hot water. Just going to give it another quick boil. Get a fork to stir it with. They're so tasty, these guys. Well, I've only tasted the chicken noodles and they are delicious. So now I'm just going to, is that boiled? Yeah. Add a little bit of hot water. And then give that a stir. Good stir so everything's covered, as you can see. Don't let how it looks now fool you. So that's that. So that's what it looks like now. Going to put the lid on, leave it for 8 minutes to do its thing, and we'll be right back. And by the magic of video, 8 minutes has elapsed, and here is our chicken noodle super meal from Protein Works. Right, tuck in for the camera, but like I said, I already know these are absolutely delicious. They're really good. These get more than 5 stars and a thumbs up from me, because they are just what I needed. Don't forget, you get 22 grams of protein, 5.4 grams of fibre, and it's only 353 calories per meal. This is absolutely fantastic. You want to grab it? Popped it in the basket just down there. All you got to do is tap the other basket right there, right now. Place your order, and your Protein Works super meals will be winging their way to you ASAP. Don't forget, they do other flavours, so just pick the flavour that you want. With that said, going to finish this off, so I'll catch you later. Want to grab it? You know what you got to do. Tap the other basket right there, right now.